Okay, great students. The next thing I want us to do, I want us to try to learn how to modify our video on YouTube. So I will demonstrate to you guys how to modify your content or your video on YouTube. So the first thing you need to do is to locate your YouTube app, which I believe you already know how to do that. You go to your channel, click on your channel, you now go to add a content. As you want to create a new content, I click on add here. On clicking on this add, what will I do? I'll go to create shorts. So I'll go to my create shorts and I click. So once I click on create short, what I need is to go to the down left corner here where you see that small picture. I click on it. When I click, I search for the specific content I want to edit. Let's say I want to use this, so I click on it. As I click, it's here. The video might be loud, so just to have to take a place of what I'm saying. So once I do like this, I click on done. Once I click on done, it has to process. So wait for it to process. So let's just give it a little moment to process. Still processing, almost done and done. So once we have our video now, what I need to do now is to click on the good sign here. I click on it. When I click, I have to modify it now. But how would I modify it? If you want, you can give it a sound. I already have sound here, so I don't need to give it any sound. There's a sound already in the video. So what I need to do now is to click on text. So I can click on text. Let's say I have to write something on you. I can say to join So once I'm done with this, I can still reduce the size. This one can reduce the size. I would like to keep. I can reduce that size. And this one you can change font here. I believe one more change the font. To change the font, I click on here. I change. I click here. I click here. I change. I click here. It all depends on the font you want. Any font you want to use for text, the one that will be used for the audio, you need to look for the font that can be used for the one that normally use for. So once I'm through with that, you can change as you want to. You can click here. You want to do the filter. I can do it like this, or let's say I do it like this to do with that. So once you're done with that, you click on done. Where do you want to place this thing? I want you this video. I either place it at the top here, anywhere, because I always have advice on the side there. If I press your smartphone, I think on the other thing, we can put it down. So the next thing I need to do is at the timeline. I have to go to timeline to edit it. Since I have some other stuffs down here that is displaying that stuff, I wouldn't want this write up to cover that information. So what I will do is that I'll come to the timeline here for the text. Here to this side, I keep editing it. I make sure that it only display where my video, my picture is showing. It should not affect the right text. So once I click on play, you can see it's no longer there again. That's for the timeline. And I can click on done. If I'm okay with that, next. When we click on next, the reason why I say so is when you're writing your caption here, let's take for instance, I type make sure whatever I write, let's not be more than 100 words because you're creating a short, it's only 100 words. So I can just simply write starting from the 7th of September 2023. I can put hashtag business. Always put hashtag. It will help increase the number of your viewership. Always put hashtag. success hashtag. I still have one more inspiration. Inspiration is more. So what I'll do is I can see it has turned to red now because I exceeded the 100 number of words I'm supposed to put. So what I'll do is that I'll just click here and reduce the character. Instead of that, I can just put it short form September. It's still more. So what I will do is that I have to remove one of this thing. Let's say I remove business. So I have it like this. So once you're done like this, then you click on upload. There is another thing I would like you to know is that when you notice this Internet Professional the page, I have no subscriber. I created this page specifically for this training. I will still drop a note for us on what to do so that will help ourselves increase community. I left the stop line so that once I tell you join, we do sub to sub. When you join, I join your own, you join your own. I will drop a note on how to do that so that will help ourselves build a community, because we're in this training to help each and everyone to reach the requirement of both Facebook and YouTube monetization training, which I will show you. So you can now see once our video has been uploaded, then you click on see video. You now have the video here. Then you can see the video.
If you're watching this video,
so you see the reason why I say you always click on content, and you see now you can notice the write-up. What is the write-up? Here, and use the same process I showed you how to do to these guys. The link, if you don't know how to do it, go back to our previous video, you see it. Thank you.
I have a question.